Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into a must-have solution for anyone who loves spending time outdoors but hates dealing with pesky bugs. It's the Cutter Backyard Bug Control Spray Concentrate. Let me start by saying this. If you're tired of mosquitoes crashing your outdoor parties or ants invading your picnics, this product is your new best friend. It's not just any bug spray, it's the best mosquito repellent yard spray available in the market. What sets Cutter apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it kills mosquitoes, listed ant types, fleas, and other pesky insects fast. Plus, its innovative quick flip hose end sprayer makes application a breeze. Just grip, flip, and go. It's that easy. But here's the best part. Cutter Backyard Bug Control Spray lasts all summer long, providing up to 12 weeks of protection against a wide range of insects. Say goodbye to constant reapplications and hello to uninterrupted outdoor fun. And let's talk coverage. One bottle treats up to 5,000 square feet of lawn, so you can protect your entire outdoor space without breaking a sweat. No mixing required. Simply attach the sprayer to a garden hose and let Cutter do the rest. So, whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, camping under the stars, or simply enjoying a quiet evening on the patio, make sure you're armed with Cutter Backyard Bug Control Spray Concentrate, the ultimate solution for a bug-free outdoor experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on products that make life easier and more enjoyable. Until next time, happy spraying!